name's Steve Smith. I'm CEO of the Zerova Technologies Europe company. Zerova is a company that was formed about 3 years ago to design and manufacture EV charging solutions. It's a global company. We're based in Taiwan. We have over 300 employees in 10 different countries. The company was actually formed by our parent, Zerova Technologies, which is a company that's been serving the consumer electronics industry for something like 50 years now. Our mission is to put our hardware at the center of charging networks around the world. And the two key things about this is to provide maximum uptime, which is done through high reliability electronics, and also to do it in the most sustainable way that we can, which is really about observing recycling in the factory, looking after waste materials carefully, regenerating electricity in our plant, those kind of objectives. Yes, it is. The charging hardware is agnostic. It will drive anything, anywhere in the world. So European standards, American standards, Chinese standards. We're not operating a network per se, we're providing the hardware. We're really very hardware focused. Our target audience is really CPOs, charge point operators, fleet operators, retailers, energy companies, gas stations. Fundamentally, we're providing either a branded solution or a white label solution. So actually, as a lot of our hardware is out there, about 90% of what we're shipping is white label. So there's a lot of our hardware out there which is in other people's colors and brands. And essentially, we're serving all geographic regions. So this is either through local offices or through local service partners. The way I see it, it's kind of a triangle of problems. There's three key things. One is grid availability. The second thing is affordable vehicles. And the third thing is the actual user experience. Once these three things are improved, so once you get a more readily available grid and more infrastructure, which is incumbent on companies like Zerova to provide the infrastructure. Once that improves, and then there are more choice of vehicle and more affordable vehicles on the market, and a seamless user experience and an easy user experience. Once these three things converge, then I think you have kind of lift off, ignition, and the market can accelerate. We've had both solutions for quite a long time, for sure. But ultimately, there will be only electric. I'm pretty sure of that. Actually, what we're focusing on in the short to medium term is two main things. One is we're actually enhancing our high power product profile. So this is the top end of basically we're doing DC fast charging between 60 kilowatt and 1 megawatt. But we've just released a 480 kilowatts four-gun simultaneous charging integrated product. We're very excited about this. It's pretty much the fastest thing out there for cables. So that's a new enhancement to the product profile. And also alongside that, we're deepening our commitment to emerging markets. So we're putting a lot of time in now to Middle East and Africa. And trying to fulfill the requirements in those regions too, which are very new and nascent, but will be very important in the medium to long term. Well, I like to walk, but actually I have one other thing. I really like seeing if I can drop off to sleep in the back of a nice quiet electric taxi.